Hello and welcome back to another Wise Weight Management video. Our website provides you with some of the best advice on how you can lose weight, and since you've already clicked on this video, we know that you're curious and willing to try something new. Once you have completed the video, please feel free to click the subscribe button to view more of the content we have to offer. Now let's get started. Sticking to a diet is a lot like being in a relationship. You have to work at it every day, and there will be good days and days when you kind of just want to window shop on eHarmony. Much like a good relationship, a good diet will keep you healthy and happy, and in the diet world, the dashing equivalent of a loving partner that takes care of your heart is the d.a.s.h diet. What is the d.a.s.h diet? d.a.s.h stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. It's a diet that gives your heart all the love it needs for the rest of your life, as long as you keep following it. The diet was created after researchers noticed that high blood pressure was much less common in people who followed a plant-based diet, such as vegans and vegetarians. With regards to this, the d.a.s.h diet emphasizes fruits and vegetables while containing some lean protein sources such as chicken, fish and beans. The diet is low in red meat, salt, added sugars and fat. Scientists believe that one of the main reasons people with high blood pressure can benefit from this diet is because it reduces salt intake. What can you eat on the d.a.s.h diet? The d.a.s.h diet does not list specific foods to eat. Rather, it is a dietary pattern focused on servings of food groups. The d.a.s.h diet comes in two versions, giving you the choice to follow the one that works for you. The standard d.a.s.h diet limits sodium intake to a maximum of 2,300 mg a day, while the low-sodium d.a.s.h diet sets the bar lower at a maximum of 1,500 mg a day. Your diet will then revolve around these two limits. With either diet, you'll need to include whole grains, fruits, vegetables and low-fat dairy products. In addition, fish, poultry, and legumes are recommended too, with nuts, seeds, red meat, sweets and fats limited to small amounts. Health benefits of the d.a.s.h diet. Within 2 weeks of following the d.a.s.h diet, you can reduce your blood pressure. As you continue with it, your systolic blood pressure also lowers, and that can make a significant difference to your health. The d.a.s.h diet has also been known to prevent osteoporosis, cancer, heart disease, stroke and diabetes. Can you lose weight with the d.a.s.h diet? The d.a.s.h diet does not primarily focus on weight loss, but due to the healthy foods recommended when following the diet, you're likely to lose weight. The d.a.s.h diet generally includes approximately 2,000 calories a day, so by maintaining that low calorific count, you'll be able to shed some weight. Who can follow the d.a.s.h diet? The d.a.s.h diet is highly recommended for individuals with high blood pressure or those at risk of any heart disease. If you aren't sure which sodium level is right for you, consult with a doctor so you'll be able to choose the best version of the d.a.s.h diet to follow. How easy is the d.a.s.h diet to follow? The great thing about the d.a.s.h diet is that it doesn't call for elimination of entire food groups, making it easier to stick with long term. As long as you plan your meals ahead of time and do the necessary shopping, you won't need to lose too much time preparing meals for your d.a.s.h diet. It may be a little difficult to adjust to a low-salt diet, but the blandness can be counteracted by substituting the salt with herbs and spices. The recipes are numerous and fairly easy, so you won't have to take a culinary class just to be able to prepare breakfast. How much does the d.a.s.h diet cost? Fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grain products make up the bulk of the d.a.s.h diet, and these are generally pricier than processed, fatty, sugary foods. If you try to purchase all these at once, you may become overwhelmed by how much it all costs, and the likelihood of you sticking with the d.a.s.h diet will drop drastically. Rather, pick out a few of the recommended foods and gradually transition into the d.a.s.h diet. It'll be easier for your taste buds and your wallet to adjust to it. That's all we have today for you from Wise Weight Management. If you have any further questions on the diet displayed in this video, let us know in the comment section below and we will be more than happy to answer them. Please also check out our website in the description to learn about more ways in which you can improve your lifestyle and make sure you reach your weight loss goals.